Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll cover how to install piston rings and what it should be done. Now there are a few different kinds, but most likely 4-stroke engine, okay, we'll use an oil spacer, 2 rings, and then you have 2 compression rings as well. So how you guys do that now? Okay, those are the rings that you have. You have an oil spacer here, you can see, and on top of the oil spacer there will be 1 ring and 1 ring on the bottom of the oil spacer. And I'm gonna show you just in a minute. Okay, it will go like that. You have 1 on top, 1 on bottom. Okay, then you have ring number 2 and ring number 1. Okay, this is ring number 2, ring number 1. Those are the compression rings. And on each of them there is a stamp or a dot, and it should be facing up. Okay, you can see how he has a stamp. It should face up. Now, it's very important how you install the rings, otherwise you might be burning oil or you might not have good compression. Now, this is the front of the engine. Okay, right here. And usually when you take it apart, check out the pistons, you have a dot or something like that. Memorize where the dot is. But the stamp on this one always face forward on our engine. Now, what you need to do now? You will need to install first the oil spacer. Okay, and it's going to go like that. You can see, like this one here in actually my bad, in the middle, the backward side. Okay, you can see this is the front of the engine. It's going towards the back. Okay, that's where the spacer ends meet. Now, the bottom ring will need to come about 30 millimeters past the spacer, so it will be about 30 degrees on the piston. And the top one will need to come 30 millimeters the other way from the spacer. Okay, it will be like that. Now, this is the concept, right? Next, okay, this is the center of the piston here. You can see where, okay, this one is, okay, and this one here. This is about 30 millimeters here. This is spacer, this is lower ring, upper ring. Now once you install those, then you have the upper, the second compression ring. Now, the second compression ring, guys, okay, it needs to go like that. You can see this is that center, and now turn it about again 30 millimeters this way. So you need to come to about right here. And then ring number 1 will come on top. And it will be again about 30 millimeters this way. That's what most manual says. Now, in our case it's a little bit different. Our specific manual for this car states something else, and I'm going to show you what, and show you how to install them now. So that's why it's always good to check the manual, okay, for your car. Now this is the ring facing forward, okay, you can see just like that. Now, okay, we have, you can see this is the front of the engine. Now we need to install the oil ring in the last groove here. Okay, you can see this is the end, and that spacer needs to come to about right here. Okay, this is where the spacer is now. Okay, perfect. To maybe like about right here. Now the lower ring, oil ring, needs to be this way. You can see about right here. Again about 30 millimeters off. And you just gently need to start putting that thing on top. You have to be very careful not to break those things. Okay, perfect. Now we need to install the upper oil ring. And the upper oil ring will go 180 degrees from this one. Okay, that's for a Hyundai Elantra. You have to be extremely careful not to scratch your piston. You might even want to lubricate when you install them, depending on how you do it. Now, This one is installed. Now we have ring number 2. This is ring number 2. Okay, like that. And this ring number 2, you need to see facing up with the stamp. It needs to come to about right here. Okay, right here. And again, you just start installing those. Now you have to be careful not to damage your piston and not to break your ring, because those are fragile. You can get a ring expander. It's super easy with one, but I'm used to doing it by hand too, so it's doable both ways. Now I need to get that end in. Okay, this one is done. Now this is ring number 2. It should be right here. You can see when compressed. Now ring number 1 stamp is really not very visible. Hopefully you can kind of see it. Needs to point up. And ring number 1 will be where we install the oil spacer. It will be 180 degrees from ring number 2. Okay, and again, just the same procedure. Gently install it. Okay, you can see like that. Ring number 2 is the one that is a little bit harder to install. Okay guys, and that's how we install the pistons. There is 2 different methods. The first one is kind of like universal. The second one is specific for Hyundai and Elantra, the 1.8 generation 2010-2016. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.